A couple of things. Bounty Hunter was the first artist name.
Yeah, that was the name originally, but we have another Bounty Hunter. When I came out, there was a man who named Bounty Hunter with songs first.
In Vice, with that name there already?
Yeah, it's not his or my name, but show him have song came out first, it would have seemed like him have more rights to use it, and use it, and him want to start a rivalry, like he want to fight for the name. I said, well, man, I fight for the name, and him a boss, and him no boss. I boss if I fight for boss. Somebody say, you know, me alter the name, because I even not go change the name, because no, we don't own the name. And I find out that there's a show named The Bounty Killer. Me I go be the killer and you be the hunter then. So I just change the name to The Bounty Killer and leave him with it, and then him do my boss again. The name not help him. Yeah, so it was originally Bounty Hunter, I call myself first. And then the other Bounty Hunter come, and then I just alter it to Bounty Killer.
Yes. The second album, you know, Down in the Ghetto.
Yeah.
This was more of a more culture, because you said them as a rare. Oh, okay.
That's
so
where
I
the
see the man say
cultural
now,
side
man.
come,
I see the man say now.
After the transformation, when you get criticized.
Yeah.
Yeah, because them time, you know, me say people dead and me see the thing I go on, me even not think about the positive impact of music or negative of anything.
Yes,
Just
I
a
do
thing,
some
my life a change, yeah. So it was, when them criticized me, I realized that's true. I have to sing uplifting music. So I put on the poor people governor money camp. From this I know. I start beat out the politician them outside, because they used to come on me yard to my side, you know. Because I know all the politician will bring gun in the community. I saw it with my eyes. Okay, I won't call them name, but I know a lot. Okay? From Calalabed to Riverton to Seaview, I've seen it. So me and my mother know always a problem, because she don't like when me burn out PMP, because she born as PMP, you know. She a PG and Porsche big fans. And then me come and I burn out PMP and GLP and NDM, and she want me to pick out GLP and NDM. I have about cross the board and me about politician. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the poor people Monica come in after the Down in the Ghetto album. And from I never even say I'm the poor people government. I just say it on the record, you know. And the people them state it on me.
Yeah. That, you know.
Yeah, but there's a Rodney Price, poor people government, I never even take it as a title. Like the people them just keep on saying it, and then Chuck Fender come say, I'm the poor people defender. And me I say, all right, make Chuck Fender take over now. Now the people them say, no, you have to stay. That's how we have a new defender now, man. We can't pass it on. They say, no, you have to add to the list.
That was 1995, yeah? Down in the Ghetto. So Down in the Ghetto, Certain with Sanchez, Mansa Sang,
John again.
Smoke the Herb.
Yeah, King Johnny's.
Book. Yeah. All of them tune up on the album there.
Yeah.
A big album that right now, man.
All of the albums.
That's true.
No, but that's one thing I end up making good albums. One thing when you come onto album, I always put a good body of work together.
Yes.
I love making albums, and I make special songs. When we make an album, we kind of go from the regular grid and make little versatility works.
Yeah.
So looking forward to this one coming too.
Well, we talk about that Dougie Road there. So the next album was No Argument. I think that was the third album.
Well, I think No Argument was like No Argument wasn't
an album,
a real album, you know. A John them put that
just
together.
compilation.
That's when me and left Jammies, yeah. That's when me and Jammies them fall out. Yeah, so No Argument was like an album when them trying to counteract my experience. Because if you note some of the song them.
So you did My Experience came out before No Argument?
I think at the same year, you know,
Oh,
96.
same year, okay.
Yeah, because that had the next album.
Right, 96, My Experience.
Yeah, so it was supposed to be No Argument, and then me and them fall out.
Right.
So me never finished the album there, so them take other song from other people and done it. But if you look on it, you see Mama dep on it too.
Right.
And you see Seat God dep on it too, with dep on My Experience, but them was re-recorded. If you know it's My Experience, me have Junior Reader sing on Seat God now.
Right.
And then me make over the Mama song, cause what happened, me and them fall out.
What go on there, sir?
Uncle T messed up.
Oh, okay.
Cause it was a case when time me boss now, run a Jammies. I want my friend them for boss. Cause my friend them bring me at the studio. Dynamite and coach them, look out for me and show me the ropes. And me get in now, so me decide when me get in, door have to stay open. Pop them going off at my now, vice them and them. So I'm gonna make a label. I'm gonna make jazz and make rhythm. Valley of the rhythm and one bag of sitting and say me I go vice up my friend them now, you know. Them time them in know I wrong thing that me I do them support them thing then a jam is there. Them ready him label boy what you doing? So we go make label and advice up the band, them advice of everybody in the yard. I mean never do a wrong thing that you do the boy. So the body not say nothing but them a pray up. So we go so back now and go in the studio and go put on tape. And nobody never asked in the time. But me think, I'm here the big superstar around here. Yeah, me never asked in the time. Then my voice around the place. Man, say, oh, your time. I take off the tape. But let's pack up my tape and go mix it up, you know. All right, so you got to the whole place, youth. All right, give me the big studio. But don't go back around that job, is that? Now mix it up, me leave you. So me just run with. Hang on, I'm mixing lab now. I saw poor people fed up Vice, Sly and Robbie. So poor people fed up Stocky and Carry Elephant them up there now and them say, who the is this people? Sly say, oh Lord, I don't you the man, them crazy. Sly love them off. Yeah. Here cause King them not understand the level where Ellie them did depend them time they them don't know about the style. Them style are different. Sly them could have figured it out. Sly bust them now and scare them boss. And me start make my experience album now. Big bad album. Yeah. So we go to New York, go find a Johnny Wonder now. Really guide me. I mean, just leave jammies, me not know about album making. Me just know if I make song. Johnny Wonder really teach me how to compile songs and make album. And all of those idea of the hip-hop collaboration is Johnny Wonder. So all of the Noriega and Raekwon and Jaru, the Damage and all of them people there. Mobb Deep. Fugees, hip-hop and all of them tunes. Yeah, that was Johnny's idea. Johnny Wonder used to flip the beats, remix the song them on white label. Drop the beat them, like who send them, and them remix the way you're. Johnny Wonder used to white label them. So Johnny Wonder was the one who gave me that idea for hip-hop collaboration thing. And he was the one who really pushed me in that direction. So all props to Johnny Wonder for that. That's a monster hit from the album, Killer. Yeah, so that's my first executive produced album. That was me and Johnny Wonder. Oh, my experience. Mad thing, man. Yeah, we produced that. And then it was Lauryn Hill where we really went over to Fugees to do. Them time I never know what the Fugees are. Lauryn Hill me know. Because them time the Fugees just a blow up. So them was like more underground. Never so commercial. So we know Lauryn Hill, she come in at the movie. Right. I know so she can sing. So when she sing a hook. So we go over there and then we go meet Wycliffe now where him at the one way in at the reggae sitting now. And him get more excited and said, no, all of us have to be on the track. Because I couldn't pay for Fugees. I never have so much money to pay for all of these people, but the music inspired them, so they love it, so they want to be a part. Yeah, because most of these people, me not pay them no money for money. Noriega and all these people, I never pay them no money. It's just the whole impact of my music them time there. Busta Rhymes, all these people. We never pay them no money. Eric Sherman produced that track, we never have no bag of money to pay these people. A little bit of money the label barely pay for the studio time and whatever. It's just the impact of Bounty Killer in New York them time everybody used to want to work together. So it was easy. He never had to pay. Yeah. But out of that came one of the great bodies of work, album-wise. Crossover type of vibe. No, because everybody was excited to work as, me ain't up at work with Busta. He's Busta Rhymes though. One blood, everybody like Junior Reed, to the pepper seed. So how the boy come to pepper seed and blue the Junior Reed? And Johnny Wonder came and go meet him and then I realized, he have Jamaican parented background and heritage. I said, all right, you know what? Like how him say one blood, everybody like Junior Reed. One blood, everybody like Junior Reed. I saw Junior Reed, end up car Busta Rhymes give the compliment to him on a track. So we just say, go for Junior Reed too. And the three we end up on the track. And it was a magic. Magic, brother. Magic. Big album, man. Yes, one of my best. That's my biggest album. In terms of sales or in terms of quality? In terms of sales and quality. It's every song on the album is a hit. Every single song. Dangerously with Barrington Levy's on it. There's a collaboration with and Dennis Brown on it as well. Beanie Man, yeah. Dennis, the Revolution. Yeah, the Revolution 3. Part 3, yeah. And then Barrington Levy song came out before the album and Barrington album doing. 96 Barrington had the album came out must in 95. with Living Dangerously. It was recorded for Barrington's album, not my album. That wasn't my song.
Fat Man, can I show me that vibe?
Yeah, so it's when them put out the album and it never go on the best. Then all of a sudden, me don't know which DJs go take up my experience, Living Dangerously, and start play it. And it does start become a hit. That's why I have to take it and put it on the album when I put it. During the time I make my experience, Living Dangerously just blow up. And me have this as an old song. But it gets more deep radio play. I just end up put it back on the album.
Makes sense.
And we never do over video or anything doing the same old video and everything. But somebody take it up and start playing it. I don't know what happened.
That's beauty.
And then it became Barrington Levy's first #1 song in Jamaica. I was so surprised to find out that Barrington never had
a #1 song.
A #1 song, and every song he sings is a #1.
A classic.
Because I play a classic him have. Yeah.
I really have it.
It's weird.
Yeah.
He's just like me still, because I don't have much #1 songs.
And many people
I can't remember how much
that.
#1s I have.
Yeah.
I don't have much. There's a few #1s I had. And I have a lot of classic songs, but not all of them was #1 songs. And if you check back the time when them sang they come out, the song that was #1 over it, them not there today. That's why I don't worry about the charts. I'm more worried about the arts. Don't get in the charts, get in the people's hearts.
Yes.
And that's one thing I know.
Hip Opera on that album was probably the most successful single.
Yeah.
Lauren Hill, Wycliffe, and the works.
Yeah.
That charted Billboard.
Yeah, man, that was the most successful single from that album. And then the next one, the next Millennium now was with Mobb Deep.
Mobb Deep.
And that was on the Blade soundtrack.
Mobb Deep. The Danger Zone and Mobb Deep.
Deadly Zone.
Deadly Zone, I mean. Yes, that is a soundtrack on Blade.
Yeah, that was on the soundtrack of Blade.
And that was on
Millennium.
Next Millennium.
98.
Okay. 98. All right, I kind of done
that
the
was
first.
the album after my experience.
I have to keep myself
and
current.
then Fifth Element, it was a double album supposed to come out 98, you know. But Fifth Element came out the next year.
Right.
Yeah, but it was a double album, Fifth Element, Next Millennium.
So you never do Ghetto Grammar before Next Millennium?
Yeah, Ghetto Grammar come out from before my experience too.
Okay, can I say a 97 the album the forward?
Yeah.
But my experience at 96.
Ghetto Grammar is an unofficial
album. Thing. It was a British release.
Jammys them put that together again. Yeah, but that never a real album.
Okay.
But I saw them work, you know, them just compile up something and
98 and now Next Millennium.
Yeah.
That Noriega, Mobb Deep and
Jaru,
Killer Priest.
Yeah, Killer Priest. Raekwon.
Coco Brovers and the whole time on them.
Nona Hendrix, yeah. It's a party.
It's a party. Big
That's the most successful single from that album.
Yes. But you have other big, Deadly Zone, as I said, that also was on the soundtrack.
Yeah, but It's a Party outdone everything. To all the impact where It's a Party still have today, I would say that's the most successful single from that album. And I never knew that I could have sing normal topics like that, because that was one of my first simple songs. And just because it was a hip-hop vibe, why I even go so simple. You know? Because I used to go hard if you listen to Fugees song.
Yes.
Come lift your big trouble. And a Fugees, they're a commercial group. And I'm still not going commercial. Yo, everybody get Fugees sing something nice. I sing a gangster song. And me have Wycliffe them I sing like them a bad boy. Which was different.
Yeah.
And one thing, nobody else get a full Fugees feature. I realized no other artist has the old Fugees on a track. I'm the only artist. I have the three of them. You have people who work with Wycliffe, you have people who work with Praz, you have people who work with Lauren, but nobody has the three of them all on one track. If you look back in the history of music, it never happened. And it's not easily gonna happen today, as the group is not really
together like that.
But it was a blessing to have the three of them on the track. And I never even realized that it was me alone who have the whole Fugees on a track.
So the last boy.
That's really awesome.
Yeah, Fifth Element was the next album after that?
Yeah, after Millennium. It was more the reggae side. because it's a double album, and as I tell you.
So that's a double album as I
Yeah, but they released
thought Get a
two
Dictionary
separate.
was the only double album.
No, my experience, the first double album.
Double album that as well.
Yeah. And then my next Millennium was supposed to be, but it released on separate dates.
Oh, okay.
So people just don't see it as a double album. But it was. So the next Millennium was the fusion side, and then Eagle and the Ark and Can't Believe My Eyes and Look and all of them on the Fifth Element.
Okay. Another monumental moment in the journey right now. 2001, No Doubt. Hey baby.
Sly and Robbie.
Sly and Robbie. That song would have opened some more doors.
Yeah, man. That was the biggest momentum in my career. Super Bowl.
Super Bowl.
Top of the Pops and MTV Music, Moonman Award and Grammys and all these things.
Because the one, was it for the single or for the album?
For the single.
For the single.
I was nominated also for the album.
Okay.
The same year.
Yes.
Yeah, for the Ghetto Dictionary. Yeah, the Mystery.
Mystery.
That was nominated in the reggae category, and Lee Scratch Perry won that. And then we won in the pop category with No Doubt.
No Doubt.
So I would have won 2 Grammy that year. That would be too awesome. Win 2 Grammy one time.
Whilst you said that it was one of the biggest moments of the journey, you also had some negative things surrounding it, because we know that, especially at the time you've been in it, at it, and there's a scene in the video where a naked man.
Yeah, because when I went to California and I did the video, nothing like that wasn't shot.
Right.
Because if I saw that, we'd have discrepancy with it right there and then, way before it come out. So we shoot, but it was a 3-day shoot. So we have 2 days, we shoot and them shoot another day. And then them show me before it came out still. Them send a rough
copy.
Yeah. So what that? Song now sing nothing about that. What would that have to do with the song? I want to know my type of culture, though. I want to know my people. I want to know how we stay. That had to come out. That have to come out. Or we don't know. Them don't take it out. So you know me done with them. All both who did for go perform, you know.
Oh.
All right. Julian met me do Super Bowl, you know. Called them for go the American Music Award, AMA. And them have the little bandsman that try sing my part, and it not work. This song I flap on the performance whack. So them need me, but me done with them. So Julian convinced me to talk about, boy, back in the days, when Nadine Sutherland and Terror Fabulous did have action, not a bag of mouth. And Terror Fabulous did up on Delicious vinyl label, because Fabulous did have him deal and everything.
Right.
And they said Fabulous must did do the Super Bowl with Nadine that sang there, and he refused, you know? And I said, wow, the biggest opportunity that would happen in my career, and I miss it, and look what happened today, and Ray and Julian, I give me all type of Sarah.
A good reason that still killer.
You understand him give me some scenario.
A good reason that.
Me never even know how important Super Bowl is, you know. Come in and watch Super Bowl, them football.
Millions of people, brother.
Me don't know about quarterback and waterback. Me don't know about them something.
Quarterback.
Julian convinced me, and I said, all right, we go. And we got Super Bowl and do it, and big excitement, man. Beating one and Ray and when it can start now, the boy them try to have the publishing over the song.
Yeah?
Because them give me one piece of paper for sign before we release, and then them touch on publishing all type of thing on it, and Ray, some illegal thing them do, you know. Me have to retain lawyer California, you know, 20,000. And take them to court and deal with one bag of thing and get 12.5% of the publishing. Here, cause me decide that them nearly mash up my career with my culture, and now rampant me. I could have 5 million for retain the liar. Retain him now. Yeah, I got back my publishing and everything.
Nice.
Cause 2.5% them want to give me.
Oh.
Out of the publishing. And we have to fight and get 12.5, and we get, when we forget out of the publishing and everything go down, go do Super Bowl on Top of the Pops, and I tell them, done. I don't want to sound about, gone. Here, cause them disrespect me.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, cause that never had to be in the video. I don't know what that for.
And many of your rivals took it for a field day, man.
Yeah, and who tell them not to? Why not? Mother do the same thing. So honor them, me a blame. That make the pressure be wicked upon no doubt. Yeah, more doubt upon no doubt.
More doubt upon no doubt. So that was 2001. Yeah. Great in one sense and a little bit negative in another sense.
Sure, them just try to hurt the greatness, but it was a great vibe. Big up Sly and Robbie, because what you know, them came and them said them want to record me. I tell Sly, I want 10 grand. Them said them want to give me 2. I said, Sly, tell them choke off. 10 and 2, now no relative. Sly said, killer. Back in the days, you know, when we used to work, we never get paid. You know, some of these songs become long history, man. Give me again. You know. Sorry, I'm gonna do it free, boss. Don't worry about it. I don't want them 2 grand. Right. We just go sing it free.
Yeah?
We never bother take the 2 grand. We just go sing it because Sly said sing it. Yeah, so it was just a miracle how the song came out.
I'm glad you listen to Sly.
Yeah, because Sly had the boss. If the boss said, Ray, me just I'm gonna just do it. And the boss said do it. And then the boss showed me some great point time. So the song them where him live off of today. He never get paid. And at them come make them come to him. No. The song them will never get paid for. And then a lie. See there? I don't get paid for no doubt song. And one of the biggest piece of my work. Today, if I look at my publishing statement when it comes, no doubt is no doubt. So you never know for sure. Just make the music.
Just make the music,
yeah,
man.
Make the music. Music alone shall live.
In 2002, you recorded your last body of work, album-wise.
Get a Dictionary.
Yeah. 2 volume. Art of War
and Mystery. Yeah.
Big works again, brother.
Yeah, but you know what though? He's merciless, me really want to kill him. After 2000, I met my album and yo, me and Merciless are clash and it turned a whole Merciless buyer, you know. Cause yo, and that's why the album for turn 2 album, cause right now I make 1 for Merciless. The Art of War. Whole album dedicated to Merciless. If you listen it back, really Merciless me a war with. Yeah, and then we got to take on some other man too. Cause some other man go ramp with me too, you know. So we take on about 10 DJ. So it was just me and my mood them time. Me and my mother zone, but it was a great vibes. So that was the last album, and then Junior Gang approached me a couple of years ago now and say, he want me to do an album, but since we lose the visa, I just never really have no album interest.
Okay,
come like go tour, yeah.
Like.
Come like go out there when time I have album, go promote and face the people them. And then me not have no record deal, I mean I have no visa. You just feel like album that makes sense now. So it's really Junior Gang I encourage me, so we start work on the King of Kingston. So.
Yeah. We'll get around to that one. We'll rush that. You also did some work with Swiss Beatz and Guilty. Okay.
Yeah.
Big song that again in the
Yeah, that I think about 2002. That
yeah, about 2002.
Yeah, that was his single from his album. That was his debut album.
Right.
As an artist. That's when Swiss Beatz transformed to
artist. But Swiss Beatz?
I wouldn't say was it, but the LBX.
But you were there?
Yeah, I was there. I was a part. Yeah, so he did that song and we went up and do the video and it was a good song. Big smash. Big smash,
man. As I introduced you, saying that you are one of the most influential artists in the history of the music, you are responsible for many artists' entrance into the business, growth, sustenance.
Yeah.
And it started out with you're bridging them from Seaview.
Yeah, Scare Them crew. The Seaview family.
Seaview family, then Scare.
Yeah, it wasn't really planned. We planned to do this. It was just a thing where I feel like I owe it to my friends. You know, as I said, them help show me the rope. And when we get in, so I say, me have to help them. So when me start vice back and help them now, them start calling them, cause watch out, them man a crew, you know. It's not a group, you know. Every man a solo artist. It's just a case of the thing say, we don't have enough rhythms or opportunity or tracks to get everybody records. So, you know, we want to group up and do combination and we don't know boss. We don't can go back to the solo like them doing now, you know?
Right.
Yeah, so it was just a group of friends with me I help back. And then when I find out, the people them give me a lot of props to do this thing. They look up to you like you're a good mentor. I never know me I become a mentor when I do it, but I become a mentor after me end up busting my friend them. So the next one was Baby Sham. After skiing them crew, we start with Baby Sham and meet Baby Sham out of Arrows. And then Baby Sham was always a militant like a youth. Very decent, ghetto youth. Always think Sham was an uptown man. Yeah, when me find out say,
I come from Brook Valley or Sherlock.
Uptown ghetto him come from. Kingston 20. Boy, him an uptown man. You understand? Yeah, so Sham is a decent little youth. You know, care himself and him not par with people. Him always clean and neat by him little self. And then one day, Triton from Amplex Sound and Triton Music, him decide for me and Sham do a dub plate. Sham have one song name, "Man Baga Atness, Dance Your Fatness," then me have y'all say yes. And then put the two out on the song together, and from that now, me and Sham start parm, because I go drop him around at Sherlock. From that, me and him turn party. I'm just like a little youth and him full of militancy. And him quick on him, slick on him, him intelligent, him just on point. And then no. So Sham, me join to Dave Kelly. And Sham cling me and Dave. That's how the Bounty Killer and Dave Kelly era start.
The greatest era, I think that again. After Sham, Adi Bantan.
Well, after
Pete
Sham,
was there
no.
before Sham. Before
yeah, man.
Cartel.
After Sham it was Alliance, but our Alliance really came, it wasn't a crew. It was little, it started from Bling Dog. Because Bling Dog was really the first Alliance.
Bling Dog was the first one.
If you ever say Alliance, Bling Dog would be the first one. We meet Bling Dog about 94, 93 in Miami. And Bling Dog did live a friend him time and then him come down 96. So me and Bling Dog are bridging from a long time. We always apart and then we always call ourselves, what go on me Alliance? Heal me Alliance, because Alliance, that's how Alliance come in, so we use it as a word. Everybody just say the Alliance. But me never call my crew no Alliance. So the people them use the word, they come used to use the word. So it was Bling Dog first, and me apart. Then Wayne Marshall.
Oh.
Yeah, so Wayne Marshall, I know Wayne Marshall from Jammies and I'm school closed as a little youth. Then when we left Jammies, it was Ward 21 who go around there go start back the fire. So after Ward 21 of them, me here with Wayne Marshall, I never even know say Marshall an artist. I meet Marshall with Baby G them at the studio when him a little boy. I come my studio. Yeah, so I did meet Marshall from my youthful days. And then me here, Ward 21 them come up with Marshall now and say, "Blow, what are you done? High pitch and falsetto." Then we meet Marshall again. "Oh, are you, blow, I never know you, blah, blah, blah." And he come up with this song name, "When the smoke clear, when the battle has been won." It's all right. We do the combination and we do the collaboration. So through we have the collaboration now, Marshall become a part of my flex too, because we go everywhere to sing together.
Right.
So it's me, Marshall, Bling Dog. My father now, we meet my father. I singing black song up on Manor Park back in the days when me I go trim, them time we used to go trim.
Yeah man, just pause and come, you can come through man.
We used to go uppercut. At Manor Park, yes, I used to go uppercut barber in Manor Park, thanks. And then we met my father as a little youth now, come check me for a little thing, blah, blah, blah. And then Lyrical from Barbican. And Flex.
So Lyrical was a part of the Flex?
Lyrical always a part of my Flex.
Yeah?
Lyrical was my brethren. Lyrical is the one I'm a producer, one I'm a songwriter, one I'm a friend, my pari. Yeah, Lyrical always a link me from back in the days. Mega Plow, Lyrical, them two youth from Barbican always come link with Jammies and we and them link. So back now, me live at Oakland, always drive through the gully of Grand Spend, me see Flex them and some little youth named Maffy Die crew. So Flex and Mavado and Maffy Die crew are them par. So Lyrical bring them come to me. So them come at the studio. So me even carry Mavado to Dave Kelly one time. And them was supposed to come back on to audition for Vice. Yeah, so we used to have them running from them time there. So we didn't know Mavado from them time there singing blacks. But it was Flex more flexible around me. Because Flex did a bus even before Mavado.
Right.
You understand? So it was Flex. And then Mavado and Kibaki and all of them as me looking from Grand Spend, they used to come around me. So it was 1999 now. Butler was a man who rent big screen them for the show and Arsman introduced me to him. And me I keep saga to these, and him tell me, say, me have this artist, but the baddest thing. Oh man, you more about him. So okay, I want to hear him. But when you put him on the show, he said, yeah man, we are putting him on the show, but killer, you for call him up. I said, no man, me can't call up young artists when nobody never hear and me never hear me. I have to put him on early, make us see him can do. So Cartel work 99, but me never reach in because the show did chaos by the time I reach in, because you know the chaos.
Yeah, that thing they go on, yeah.
So I never get to see when Cartel work. So at the video we have to watch him back one and bad him have some argument, but in pitch and him vocal never ready.
Vocal in already at the time.
Argument, some blowout, Tivoli and Jim Brown argument, him that kill some bad man's argument, mash up the place still. So him really represent. And then I said, alright, bring the cassette. So Butler then bring me a cassette. I'm listening to the cassette and I'm like, bad man full of lyrics, but him voice trashy. Yeah. So bringing me now and carry him at the car wash and them tell me, say them make computer parlor. Computer parlor like a vice him. It's a computer parlor vice him, but the song better than him. If a cartel did rule the world, be lyrics.
The song better than him.
You know, I said, no, you, that song you bad, but you can't
Deliver.
represent these things. You want somebody with a character and blah, blah. And them decide to me for vice song. So them give me cartel song for vice. Me never happy. So me tell him, say, listen me. Him have another song on it named Girl Clown. Me want him vice, so me I got vice with him. Because them don't want vice him alone, to him vice no song. Yeah, right. So me just make sure me and him vice that one. Yeah. So him still feel, you understand? Because I mean, like when him take out the man song and give me for vice, but you know, and I saw it for him for right, when I write for me and him for vice, for him I vice for him. But me understand what them I say, this song not really, I gotta get that presence from him. So.
Right.
That's why I just do it, and then me and him do Girl Clown for jazz one. So it give him like a courage, you know? And then we carry him to Snow Cone. Rice and peas with him them time, the Snow Cone vice in, then we carry him to Jeremy Harding. You know, I have girls like mine, not girls my kind. She tell me say she leaving, you understand? The couple little come because them not want to vice him alone, so we start force the combination them with me and him. So you understand? Because me and him, them are alright with him, but when him alone, them are going like them not alright. This is how now organist. You understand? Because me and him can do combination and him can do solo.
Yeah.
How that happen? Because them not want to spend time help develop the youth. So we start carrying him at the studio them now. And then him go meet Dan. And Dan like him style and him and Dan start clean. And so him find the Carl Canai. And then time him don't even know if he do the hook them yet. Him just full of lyrics. So them just put Marshall on the hook. Yeah, so Cartel and Marshall become a little duo for that period of time there. Yeah, and from this and now, people start calling we alliance when we fully assemble. And Busy now is a man that made him meet at Connecticut before him did get in a trouble and come down, yeah. So Busy was a wicked little vibes man, hype up, basic and full of argument, wittiness and the whole of Connecticut love Busy. Him does a fuse of energy, so they are Jamaican when they are Renaissance and thing. And go Renaissance, we go to dub plate and see Busy up there and he tell me, say, Jamaica I'm there now. And then Jazzy T put out the song with him, step out and Ray and the sitting start. And then me I tell him, say, listen me, a road where I go. Campaign, we are campaign. That's how we end up turning alliance, you know, because me always I call them and say, come youth. All of my little friend them when I like and the youth them apart around me. Just come. And then that's how we name alliance and we don't work with it, but me never found nothing name alliance. People say alliance was made to fight this or fight out this. Alliance never.
I roll out someone out of business and
nothing like that. Alliance was made to unify we. And that me they think alliance I do. So, and I see nothing better than it after alliance today.
So Diddy was also a part of the thing.
Yeah, then Cartel bring Diddy now. Because I see Diddy. And I never know Diddy. It's Cartel really bringing Diddy. Because Cartel come live at Oakland one at a time and then Diddy start par and he bring in Diddy. And I say, yeah man, boom bang bang. I mean, Diddy start par. And the whole link make the son and Sharonberg we do the combination and everything was going good until we and Cartel get in a liquor riff.
A liquor riff.
It's a liquor riff. I don't see that as a big thing. It wasn't a physical thing.
Right.
It's a
No, but musically it was a big thing.
Yeah,
right.
musically
it was
a
that
big
liquor riff, it was a big thing.
Big musical riff.
Man decided to alone and take out Alliance, brother.
You know, our style, that's what MC me do. Just like when MC me that take on 10 artists, you understand?
Yeah,
that's how we train. So with a surprise, that you have to do.
So Alliance, along with Youthman Promotion, probably the two greatest musical collective in the history of the thing.
Yeah, man. So, you know, Sugar Man, he started it, you know. For nothing, that's the goodness I'm art. So we have to give it up for the legend. R.I.P. my boss, yeah, man. And he's going to be on my next album, you know.
Yeah?
I'm paying tribute to Sugar.
Nice, man.
I have a great track called Justice.
Justice.
Produced by King Jamis. Yeah, with Sugar Man coming on the next album.
Yeah. Other than them big names that we call the Bling Dog, Cartel, Mavad and the works, A&G, some other young youths, Patex and
those are the
Kaleda
ones
and
that
all of
were
them
there
man.
after Alliance disassembled. Those was the one who there, Kaleda and Ira and Patex and K-Queens.
K-Queens from them time.
The younger generations.
You have made many youths be able to feed themselves and feed them family, brother.
Happy to know, you know. That's a good thing. It makes my heart feel very full. I love it.
Yes.
And tell you what now, this is what I want to do. Do for others that they couldn't do for themselves, you know? And then my reward is not to collect, is to be blessed. And then the things them that I've been through, I know that God really has shown me some extra mercy. Because I do a whole heap of madness and some stupid thing. Yeah, and enough people don't do as much as me and them getting a serious problems.
Yes.
You understand? So
True.
me
So
get
true, brother.
Get with a lot.
So true.
And then what I love is when me see people are beg God mercy for me. Because me need more blessing than I can ask God for. So I need other vices to be calling upon the Almighty to say, bless Mr. Rodney. May the Lord, you know, some people don't know how much that does for them, you know, but how much it does for me. I need a lot of mercy. And the people them really, really give me that.
Yes.
When it come on to good words and prayer, people send out them something for me daily. So,
Whilst you have helped many, Rodney, give many, because Cartel do the Gaza thing and release a whole heap of youth run so again and the thing kind of spread.
yes, generation.
But many people, well, some people would say that while Killer build enough youth, Killer kill enough youth.
You only have to build some and you have to kill some. It's the balance.
You have been in Lyrical, Feuds and other type of things with many artists in the business.
It's just like you have to have war to have peace. You understand? Peace not just comes so cheap. You understand?
Yeah.
So you would have to kill some to build some. Yeah, because the good ones, you show them the way and the bad one gets slayed. That's just how it goes.
You and Super Cat did have a little thing, and Junior Cat by extension.
Well, me and Super Cat never really have nothing. You know what happened now? You see the song name Riding Through the Desert?
Right.
I never even write a word in it. I Pinchers write the song there now. Me riding through the desert, Indian! And Super Cat heard it. And then now when me sing the line, I say, shot him and make him feather them fly. Me never really look at it that way then. If me a Super Cat, I see him with a react. Because you mean a boy come shot by Indian feather fly, a boy. Scared. So, which one of me write this song? Me never really...
You know, I made it like that.
Dissect the line that's so deep. But looking at it, you mean? You know me the Apache? And boy at a boy Indian feather fly and them something. This thing one, this. So the man take it wicked and the man comes say, scalp them, egg them up, and do back him song. And then me hear it now and I say, but the man call me name. Cause watch me just say, shot Indian, me never really say you. And I like him say, kill boy, cowboy, or scalp, cause the man say, Angel Eye. You know, Doulas him call Angel Eye, cause Angel Eye, one bad boy, one movie, so him change Angel Doulas name to Angel Eye. And Bounty Killer head fly, and man murder me and Doulas. I say, what that? No, man. Me never talk about you, me talk about Indian. Not even if you're Indian and feel away, yeah, me understand, but me never say you say me, no. So him call my name, I have to call back his name. And then no, me are the liquor veteran I come and him are the old veteran. Me can't make you look like me a idiot super cat. Me rate and everything, but listen me now. Me I got this here. So me did have to stand up to him and diss him back. But we rate Supercat, we look up to Supercat. Supercat is the boss. You understand? But as a little youth here come them time they know if you go on like you want to give him the boss rating, you're gonna look like a punk. Yeah, so you have to stand up to the cat and then you're gonna look like a big man. Yes, I does that, but Junior Cat him now, him push it. We not rate you, you're not nobody. We don't look up to you. We look up to Super Cat, so we could have overlooked a cat though. But Junior Cat him now push it. And him know say him not bad. So we just give it to him and him kind of make it like go further because Cat would have forgot it long time. But he make me did have to diss him and kind of diss Cat a little bit again, you know. But when you check it out, in hardcore gangster DJ, Super Cat is the boss. He's the one who really started it. Josie Whale and Super Cat is the first two hardcore man we see in my eyesight. You understand? Mad Cobra, Cutty Rankin, Ninja Man. I would say they are my senior. They are the one who really started the style.
Yes. Then you and Buju did have a local thing one night time?
Not really, but Buju sing one song where never like how it come out in a certain time. When he want to say run the place, and they couldn't run it. Because we say, yo, me and Beanie run the place them time there. So it has to be one of us. And me know me I run this place good. I can't me attack. You understand? But it wasn't anything personal. Oh, okay. It was just musical exercise. I love Buju, man. Buju bass, Buju melody, boss me, you know, Kappa Shot big it up melody, you know. Right. You understand? So Buju is one of the man who
credit where credit is due.
Yeah, man, bring me to the light and we never try to this, that. And the people who bring inspiration to we never try to go around them. Me always see them as something with my success. So when you come on to a Ninja Man, a Shabba, a Buju, we always have to see them as my mentor.
We can't call everybody name because a million man killer, but man like Terry Ganzi.
It's not Terry Ganzi bad, you know, man. I'm a brother, man.
Big up brother, man. When you do clean up campaign and you take it personal.
You know, the same riding through the desert, they catch him at the outlaw.
Yeah.
A pinchers get me in a trouble, you know, go give me that bad song. Because Terry Ganzi said, I take out the whole of film style, so I never even look on it for true. Because him at the outlaw. I saw me come in a cowboy business, you know, because he's a killer, you know.
Yeah.
Me not really cowboy, nothing. And true pinchers give me the cowboy song, now me start killing Indian now, and Super Cat go make it go further, and then Beanie man go talk about him a Super Cat brother. Apache a different than the Apache, and the cowboy and Indian thing go war. And then I really Terry Ganzi the outlaw for true.
I am that for true.
I take out the man thing and me look into it. You understand? But me never intentionally.
Yeah.
And the people and push the cowboy title for me. Yeah, so Terry there carry belly for me, and me never know. And me go down to one little place down at Maxil one night. And the man down there, and boy, I don't know, one kick off go on. And we go on bad down there, and then me go on Miami again, and Terry come back. Me never remember. Say me and him have something, and Miami, the man come back, you know. Look at most that did turn a rivalry. Right. Yeah, but we just leave it down and we good, man. I'm a brother, man. I'm the original outlaw, man.
You're a man like Sizzler.
Lord God, man. Misunderstanding again. All of them that are misunderstanding when my head never work good, you know, when you used to dark. Yeah, when we used to move the cross angle miserable finish. Yeah, man. Because when we think of soccer, I watch a Sizzler hold the mic over champion action and say, Hila, shot them mid off a pillar, and I said, nothing about killer. No. You couldn't tell me something about killer that did that. I did when one junior read come on the stage, you couldn't tell me that, the man said. So me just take it the other way, you know. He never said nothing bad about me. I'm going to sing gun song. But he never said anything about me. He just come up with an attitude, and then through me know him a care a belly through me say, can't believe Rastaman a turn whole. So it's those conflict of my own interests and thoughts make me think that, you know. So we understand and take it the other way, but Caesar never do nothing. Caesar never do nothing.
Yeah.
And Sham never do nothing neither. Me just beg so Sham not come and struggle to these, you know.
So
struggle 2000. And a saga to these. It was saga to these, but a saga 2000 and two on the east, we never call it saddle to the east. The one of them showed the light and Lucia.
Right.
Over Polo Club.
So you give it to Shabba and give it to Dave.
Yeah, because Sham don't come at the show, that's all. Because even if me and you had a problem, you should have still come at the show because you advertised to your fan already. Just don't this the show, do the show and then make a work out with the friends. Because I say something when feel offensive toward his album that he was putting out. Wish it wasn't direct to him, but to the type of album where he make, him could have feel away for true, but I never hear him. And then now, he might make simple that make you don't come to the show. You know, and then to what me do for you, you could have still honor me and do the show and done with me if you want done with me. You understand? Because me, they are guide you and I help show you the way and know your reach. You could have just do the show and just done from there, so. But the whole embarrassment of the show, I bring out the emotion, you know? And then Elephant come the morning, Sham, you go, man, you know Elephant. Yeah, man.
So yeah, Sham and Dave get it.
Yeah, man. But
I save Leonard for
no, and then no, it was me who took up my phone and just called Sham out of the blues. And said, Sham, what me did have again? And him can't remember. And me can't remember. So you know, we good then. Because you don't remember what me did have, no? Because they are trying to remember in the Sham. We don't have nothing for true. And me and him and Dave just reconcile and nobody didn't even know what happened. You understand? Yeah, because I realized, no, me make an error. Them youth are good people, them good people to me.
Quite a few errors though, Rodney, man.
No, I'm not saying how much, I'm just saying with me and them, I realized it was my error.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but we all made errors.
True, that's true, man, that's true.
I'm not shy, I'm not shy.
Vegas and Lexus, Ricky Trooper, from early out there days. So call him on a shitty scoop. You don't know behavior, brother.
Ricky Gina.
Are you Ricky?
No, Ricky Trouble.
Ricky Trouble, yeah.
No,
Ricky Trouble himself.
Man, because what you know, how me and Ricky get in a issue, it was King of D's and Kilimanjaro problem. It was a case where Ricky can't afford the dubs them, Addies I kill them. And then it's like him a blame me, and it's my fault. You can't afford the dubs and these men pay me for those songs. And then and like me I cut personal song, a same name or nothing. You know. Addies just have more bounty and him can't afford the amount where he want. And Trooper just take personal and start shut up him out against me and him get in a little rivalry. But it wasn't anything more than that. It's just him makes, I tell you say right now, a blood money, the man, no business with people money, dog. You're not supposed to sell him something upon mic. You no matter where the man getting money from. You understand? So me and Trooper never really have nothing still. I just really look at sound rivalry make him push the thing. But me and him are right, you know. We grow up, we learn. Reach a level where we can work with each other.
Maggi and Puta.
Them man there, last.
Yeah. No fear boy them, Rodney, man?
Once. Yeah.
Once. Tommy Lee.
Well, it was just me, say right now, I make a post one time, say, Demon and Devil are go ray, and it's like me can't talk against Demon and Devil again. Tommy Lee say him. And it's a regular term. We say things against Demon and Devil long before Tommy Lee comes say Uncle Demon. So Tommy Lee take it the wrong way and then that's what happened. But me and Tommy Lee never have nothing. Just me say something about Demon and Tommy Lee are going like you can't speak against Demon because I, Tommy Lee, say Uncle Demon. No, Gaza. So that's what happened and then Tommy Lee go do one little song about Goated and cause him to do back a little song and then, okay. But that's that. I just male ego. I would say, but me and Tommy know I'm nothing.
Yeah, man.
And Tommy always show me respect.
Always.
Regardless, before I even know Tommy Lee, him first come introduce himself down our some fest launch downtown about 2014 or 2015 early part. Yeah, so he's a youth. I always show me respect as a Gaza youth.
Nice.
So me never have nothing against Tommy, it's just misunderstanding.
Apart from the Beanie Man thing, you know, I guess the biggest rivalry with Leonard.
Yeah, that was the next biggest rivalry. But Leonard is mute, you know, but Leonard crazy virgin. Because what you say, after Sting 97, when me and Leonard supposedly did clash, we never really clashed up at stadium. I went for Leonard and I took him under my wing. And me and Leonard started playing and record a song together. No one care when gunshot bark in the ghetto.
When I research, me find that out.
Ask him how that song came. It's all right. Ask him what year did it do and how it came about. Then me go for the little youth. Because everybody I say, a year youth is a compliment to him sound like you. You understand? And that's true. So we just overlook the whole thing and say, you know, we're coming. And still record the song. And we and him apart now and we carry him. And when we carry him, it's a party. 98 or 99, one of them. Then they saw him did say my father bounty killer when you hear about the sample. Over there him say it, you know.
I know the clip,
at the party. We and him apart now. And then time him voice, oh Tommy Ratchet, make them have it. And him a come back now. And she put him on the eyes of the tiger rhythm and all them something. Then me and him depend the rhythm for Big Yard and me and Leonard apart good. Then Sting come in. All of a sudden, me don't know what happened. You know, Leonard go make song, add this up everybody, you know. Cause the Sting, you know the Sting nature thing you have here. You should have skipped me, Leonard. Then me and your mentor, then me I bring you or you want this killer too. Got this ninja and got this all of them people there, but you can't this killer. The man make song of this me too, you know, man. Anyway, me go over Sting for watch him and Ninja Man clash, cause Ninja Man now and my mentor.
And you weren't on the show at that year. You did book for Sting that year then?
No, but Sting 2000, me not depend it with Just Keep Saga 2000 and flap Sting the night. Had 2,000 people over Sting. Handful. Go over there, Leng, I'll drape me up when I go in the car, Leng, Bex in them, I carry belly from the night before. Man, but more, I mash up him show. After me, I come in and some security, little rumbling go on. Come on there, boy, I'm going to show you how I mash up. Prove him, I prove how we but show boy, I got what Ninja with a Merciless, so that's what I get it. Man, drape you up like, oh, me get the drape up, where you at the dog? Even if something happened, you see me, I fight with security. And me, him one drape up.
Yeah, I'm going to show you.
We are showing the show through, we keep show last night, man. So like, one bag of thing, I'm still say, me want go watch this clash here. Boy, I get the best of Ninja Man doing it. He mess up Ninja Man the man, you know.
He didn't have peak or father that night,
man. See man, the boy now one peak of farm, man. So, all of a sudden, when I see the man say, Learn! Move it, junkie! I'm with it. Me have run out, you know. Cause the man taking Ninja Man title right aside and I can't vote for the boy go with Ninja title, you know. So we run out there and say, alright, you're gonna defend it. And out there buckle with the man nicely now, you know, and Ninja Man I try to come back. Being him now, you know. Half a Leonard look at him and say, Beanie, you want peace of the war? A tag team, Leonard I try to tell him, say, come tag team, now, you know, say a tag team, the man tag. Bean, you know, do nothing more than, you know, say 2 pound 1, you know. And jump and 3 pound 1, you know. Oh, you do that, dog? You say 2 man a war with 1 man, and you jump on the side of 3 against 1. Oh, you do the man make look like a retard, man. Any man, 3 man a fight, him a gorilla. Then there's a Merciless when the Merciless have to sing under the song. You see a 3 big chap man want to kill a little youth there. Him a Muslim Superman. Me say baby run come over our side and just make her look weak. Right there, sir. Merciless never said nothing more than, "What up? How the much right? What up?" The man said nothing more than that in the clash. Cause 3 pound 1, he must bad from 3 a big man a war with him. So Merciless get the better with the man in there. But him never really killed Bounty or Beanie, but him did mess up Ninja earlier on in the clash if you watch back the competition for true. Yeah. But I could not say Merciless draw this lyrics and Bounty did stutter or falter or Beanie rare. Him not killing Bounty and a Beanie. Him kill Ninja Man in the clash before we came on the stage with Ninja. I could say that. Because Ninja never have nothing more to say. But him never have me stuttering or silent. But the crowd was with him that morning. And
I winning from the ninja.
He won the clash, yeah, because that was the clash. When we go out there, go do honor really the clash. We just go out there, go. But him win the clash from before. That's why them even say him win, because him Ninja for true. He have him lyrics, and Merciless a wicked virgin. He's just Merciless, not consistent. Consistency a Merciless problem, but him bad. We can't find who else better than him.
Yeah.
Who else better than Merciless? Who went there? I must say keep rich. And the only man that they can say about that Merciless, only Keep Rich. Yeah, when you check it out, Merciless and Keep Rich is dangerous. If Merciless could have stayed consistent like it was, he would have been a weapon, but he's a good artist still. Overall, and I wish him could have just take up back his mantle and give some thing else before him retire. Because Merciless have a voice.
In voice, big for you,
I love Merciless voice. Yeah, in pitch, in range. When you come on to vocal, I'm the only man that when me think say, yeah, that threaten killer with vocal. Merciless. I went there. You find him? You
He
doing story?
Merciless long time, man.
Okay, good.
He stressed me one night, but we eventually interviewed him.
Wicked man, love him, man. Leonard, you know?
I'm Bridget, I'm Bridget. Yeah, man, so shot the ass, have a look at. Boy, killer. Come like only teach him alone. Yeah, man, so shot the have a look at thing.
Yeah. But I feel about a General B, man. A General B.
General B, your wife, and see a few days, man.
That me tell him, me General B is supposed to be a cousin, blood cousin too, you know. Let me check it out, remember, you know. What they give me the history, you know. Yeah, man. General B a part of my inspiration, you know. Had me tell you, we used to look up to General B in the community.
A major one,
you understand? I wasn't shy if you said them things, yeah. And there was a header with the music. I do it before we, and we used to see them doing it and liking it and say, yo, one, do it like them.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Not because I become the general, I'm going to act like, oh, it's not like that anymore. That's how it is.
Right.
Yeah, man. So General B, him did go sing one sitting about, I take burnt if I mean to let him turn however, size them up, I got to do one little legs and, yo. Because them know say when they come out to music, me say man, my head that so don't say nothing about me in the music, you better say it in a life. But if you go up on record, you know where we are going to go. You understand? So, me to go do one song and but we good, but Ronnie Dan goes General B. I'm a brother them.
Me know your brother them.
We suffer together and we band together from we just come out of Arrows and run a jam. Is the whole of we used to dead for young together. So Scared and Mentorship is very close. And everybody know that, so. It's just a little misunderstanding, and so, you know, man, ego. And we go up on stage and we talk, some little thing, but we're good.
Yes.
And then now, some people act like me is a beast. If I was a beast, I couldn't reconcile. You understand? How much of these people that we spoke about that we reconcile?
Most of them are your brethren, you know.
Yeah, then that me I tell you, see the one them when I reconcile with, you know. Them not good. Because I'm ready to reconcile with people. If
anybody?
Any understanding? Anybody. Then the understanding of the reconciliation. You understand? If we can't understand what we are saying. You understand? And I like say anything final. Not final. Nope. We can't reconcile with anybody. What you gonna ask me? Like if we would reconcile with Alkaline? And then you I reconcile with Vegas and Lexus. Ask them. You never saw a video, you never see the picture with me in Vegas.
No, sir.
In asylum, where you must see the picture.
Right, them in follow up certain things.
You go
on social media like that.
You have one photo with me and Mr. Vegas.
Yeah?
When the clothes still in the club.
You go look for.
In asylum, yeah. Me and him reconcile already. Me don't know how him go back, so. Me don't know, ask him when we reach back over there, so. Because if me don't want to talk back to you, me not going to talk back to you. So if me talk back to you, me really want to talk back to you. Me and Lexus reconcile. Me and Vegas reconcile. Me and Goofy reconcile. Me and the whole of them reconcile. Me don't know how we get back there, so. And me not do crab walk. If me go over so, I over so with them. Me don't know what I ask them. If them reach out to me and me say, okay, no problem. Me never beast them out and go like nothing can change. Yeah. Ask them. Who else me reconcile with? Satan, me not reconcile with him.
The Mentorship thing, they kind of have a local thing to do with toddler too. And toddler, they kind of have a local misunderstanding, no?
A toddler did go say something wrong to me and me go joke him in my eye. And General B go sing song about it.
You can't joke in my eye like that.
They should never do that. Where you walk and tell people who never did, they should know. You understand? Because I know it going on. Then so you go brother and brother might get in a little riff. Where you go sing song about that for? What you do? What you try hype over? What you try do? You try highlight it or you try hype but me don't know where I try do. Where you go sing song about that? If you never happy or me joke man, where you go sing song? You know if you do that and where you tell who never did it for? Somebody take that personal and vex, you know. You can't me not understand what that for. You can't find nothing else to sing about, but that was so low, man. Because you thought like you're upset or me do it and you highlight it in a song. You insult me and the man. Because you know me never want to do that. It already happened. I can't change it. Why you publish it? You understand? Because I know you tell people me joke out and then it make me look bad. What you do? And bad you try make me look bad. Who did that and witness it was okay, but who never did enough and no say that man? You understand? If you follow that, me and Rivalry are not good today, you know?
Yes.
You understand? Actually, we smart enough, we just know say, keep a thing on a level. Yeah, so that's that General B did do. So all the way that him do the wrong he love get trouble either, man. I be a trouble General B.
What are the youth that we never mention in the youth then when you bring to the fore? And there's a man there.
Predator.
And you're God, man. You ain't God, man.
Predator. We do a man Predator. We wonder how you know. We do a Predator you can talk about, man.
We do, you're pretty
we
God,
do a most Predator you can talk about.
So that's the one next
yeah,
one.
Yeah, man. Predator, my brother, man.
You make can take care of him thing.
Yeah, got Predator now from a long time. We got Jammies. Predator used to do it. Predator is a man who used to par with Dynamite and Rowan and Cabra. So him is a man that close to we from a long time because Dynamite and him are this.
Right.
Because him from Britain, him and Dynamite used to par. So alright, Predator is a man always close to we. So when time we start the alliance thing now, Predator always been around. And then him come up with the mad head style and that was all different. And one night we carry my mobby, you know, man. And I tell the man, take the show like most for me, you know, man. You never know, so the style serious. And mobby we carry one night and yo, the man deal the show away. From that, the man say more one line. Hey, Predator, them are gone too bad. And that's all me say, that's like a combination. Yeah. One line between the films and him boss. And from this history, you know, Predator out, the man, it's sick no good. Brother, man.
Real general in the street, man. One next man, when you name Abdi have a look at Gringo. Mafia.
All right, now, Gringo, how are you too, you know?
You be doing what?
What does Gringo come from, you know? Gringo used to live right across from Jammy Studio.
Right.
Yeah, so we and Gringo apart. Everything good, but you and Gringo go do now. Gringo make counteraction for the whole of his song. See them a run up them cellular bill, run a counteract everything. Counteract for Beanie, counteract for Sham, counteract for Bunty. Someone kill him. Cause we are your friend and our song your counteract. We no counteract Butcher, we no counteract Cape Town, we no counteract Ninja. We are there every day and our song that you try counteract. So we have the boy like a Judas. So anyway, we there Ford Clarence over fully loaded. Him gone up on the stage. True Sham no dead.
Shoot for Sham.
Him know Sham no dead. Him have counteraction for Bunty, him have to be in and him have the Sham. I true Sham no dead, I sing Sham one, sing my one too. I want to hear the counteraction where you have for my song too. And true me him have counteraction for me and I want to sing it to him, see me. Just go up, struck him performance and I take him off, go away. Now sing nothing about Baby Sham over here, boy. I kill me if you kill a career. Go away. Every day them have my boots him up them down. I just go over there and tell him, say, take him off his stage, because I'm up there try this Sham. And I sing, look into my eyes. Me never really do Gringo nothing. Me no sing nothing about Gringo when I go up there. Me no remember him say, look into my eyes, tell me what you see. Me never say Gringo. Some people say me kill Gringo career, them not understand. We never kill him career. Him go up in a wrong moment. Alright? Him for just move when him say the killer come out. Because me no say nothing about Gringo. Till this day I never have a Gringo lyrics. You understand? So people always have it like we and him really have something now. Him just diss me youth, and I go dismiss him. I know Shama my head. And then show me know you have counteraction for my song too, that's why I want to kill him. You see, if a Sham song alone you counteract it, the banana too bad, you are do me the same thing. And then we and your friend, you are wicked, you have to go away. So Gringo was just a Judas and him start part being, you know, him start going like, him no remember what he used to do. That's why I say Beanie chastise him too, because Beanie used Gringo for counteract killer. But he never liked Gringo, because Gringo was the same thing like fighting against Beanie, fighting against Bunty, fighting against Sham, counteracting with thing. So he never liked Gringo, me never liked Gringo, Sham never liked Gringo. But Beanie don't want help for battle Bunty. So him take up Gringo. I use him for right counteraction for Bunty. Until him don't need him no more to stop him now. So that fridge Gringo, because Beanie use him to compete with me. Alright, so that happened. But Beanie never rate no Gringo.
Yeah, and Gringo don't go there now, man.
Yeah, me and Dan Mafia good, I'm just saying. That's what happened. It was two enemies coming together to fight me. Them I never had no friend.
They didn't have my enemies, my friend.
You understand?
You know how to war.
Alright. Then that them do. I mean, understand the whole significance of what they did, but them never really have band together as a friend.
Yes.
Teach them! Hey, yo, yellow! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing. Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!